Hey guys, it's Kayla from Pumps and Pouts. Welcome back to my channel. For those who have been here, welcome if you're a first timer. So today I'm going to be creating not one but two looks. So I'm creating a nighttime look and a daytime look using one of my favorite brands, Glossier. This brand I think I've been using since about 2014. I was introduced to it by a coworker of mine a while ago, and it was for a contest that they were putting in for. She sent us a link to sign up for it, for them to do a pop-up shop in Atlanta, and we didn't like it, but I instantly fell in love with the brand. I was like, oh, this is pretty cool. I started off with the phase 1 kit and instantly loved the skincare. I loved how easy it was, and it wasn't too many steps, and it was, natural, and it was really for that girl on the go. So I really like that about that. And then they kind of transpired into makeup, which got me really excited because y'all know makeup is my favorite thing in the world next to food. But anyway, so yeah, so once they started launching a lot of things, and most recently they launched some eyeshadows. I like those as well, so you'll watch me kind of play with a couple of those and a couple of lip colors. You'll also see me use 2 different shades of their skin tint. I kind of wish they just made a shade in between the 2 that I need, because I think that would be a perfect match for me. But other than that, I just mix a shade since all fails, Also, I use 2 of their Wowder shades. So one of them I kind of use in my lightest areas around my face. My face is two-tone, it's really annoying. And then the other shade I kind of use is kind of a bronzer type thing, just to kind of give me some more warmth around where I need it to, because I think they also need a shade in between there. But like I said, make it work how you need to. But it would save me some money, but I didn't have to buy 2 different shades of things. But I do like the fact that I can use the darker powder shade as kind of a bronzer type ordeal. But it would be very cool if they come out with a bronzer and I think a couple other things that I don't have, that they don't have products of, eyeliner and mascara. So maybe if we're lucky, they'll come out with a bronzer, eyeliner, and mascara. But anywho, if you'd like to see me create these looks, including this one, and then there'll be another one that's the daytime, keep watching. enjoyed this double feature video with some of my favorite Glossier products. If you liked this video, hit like. If you loved it, please subscribe to my channel. You can find me on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and Facebook at Pumps and Pouts. And make sure you check out pumpsandpouts.com. There's plenty of new posts on there. Check out my latest fashion posts and some beauty posts as well. I do have a couple of lifestyle things coming up, some real cool DIYs. So make sure you come back and check for those as well. If you want to check out some of my most recent posts, make sure you look down in the description box. I have some links down there below. I will also list the names of the Glossier products that I use. I'm also officially a Glossier rep, so if you want to shop with me, you can click the link that I left in the description box, and it also will tell you a few of my most favorite products from them and how I use them. Well, until next time, guys, I'll see you later. Bye!